Okay, I just want to review a little bit about what your homework assignment is. Now, this is the data from my third period class, so your data is going to look different, and we looked at different events depending on what class. So we looked at the Frisbee toss data in this class, so yours might be different, but again, the numbers, the process is going to be the same. So we have all our data of the scores for each student, how they did on this event, and then we did our dot plot, so however many 4s we have listed here, that's how many dots we have above the 4. Make sure everything is spaced out nice and even using the graph paper. Make sure you have labels. So on here we don't have a label yet, so this should be like Frisbee toss scores. So make sure to label what our graph is there and what those numbers represent. And then what I asked you to do is calculate 4 things on your homework today. The mean, median, mode, and the range. So I just want to review. Your mean is where you're going to add up all those numbers, add up all your data, and you're going to divide by the total numbers that there are. So the sum, I'm going to take these numbers and I'm going to add them all up, and yes, you can use a calculator if you want. So add these up. There's other ways you can do this. You can do, if you know there's 15 4s, just 15 times 4. There's other ways, but I'm just going to add this up with my calculator this way, get a quick total. I got 174 after adding those. It's always good to double check that number too, make sure it's correct. And then how many numbers are there? There's a total of 26 data points, 26 dots on here. So divide by the total number 26. So I take that 174 and I divide it by 26. And that is my average. I want 2 decimal places, so we have 6.69, so make sure if you need to round, if that next digit is a 5 or higher, you need to round this digit. So give me 2 decimals, and that is our mean. So make sure to box that in, box answers in, it helps out. Median, you have to put numbers in order first. So put the numbers in order. So I'm going to look at my dot plot. So the smallest number is 4, and count how many 4s you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to write 15 4s in a line here. Okay, next I have 1 6 on my dot plot. And then my 8s, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8. So I'll write that 6 times. I have 2 12s, so I'll write 12 twice. I have 16, and then a 20. So I just rewrote all of these numbers up here, but I put them in order. Now I should have 26 numbers, so I want to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I have 26, so I know I did it right. Alright, so median is that middle number. So I'm going to just do the cover up method. So I cover up one number at a time, and then I go in and cover up those numbers, and just keep going until I find the number in the middle. Okay, I have 2 numbers in the middle. So what you do is you take the average of these 2 numbers. Now I know the average of 4 and 4 is just going to be 4. But if you're on your data, if you got something different, let's say you got 5 and 7, find the average of these 2 by adding them together, 5 plus 7, and divide by how many there are. There's 2 numbers. Divide by 2. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the median would be 6. So if you have 2 numbers, you find the average. Same with the 4s. 4 plus 4, and there's 2 numbers. So you get 8 divided by 2, which is also 4. So my median is 4 in this example. But you got to do it with your data to see what your median is. Okay, your mode is the most common number. So in this, the one that occurred the most is the number 4, most common number. And then finally the range. All spread apart are the numbers. So you're going to take the biggest number, the max, and you're going to subtract it from the smallest number, the minimum. So our biggest number is 20, and the smallest number is 4. 20 minus 4 is 16, so our range is 16. Okay, so on whatever data I told you, because in class I might have said to do the M&M data, so you'd write your M&M data out, use your dot plot, you could say number of M&Ms moved, successfully moved, and calculate all 4 of those for your homework.